Okay, we have to end this. Dead Wolf here, finishing up the round of baling, alfalfa second cutting. We got caught in the rain. It feels like 2 weeks this has been laying here. The alfalfa has regrown. I'm literally too wet and too dry at the same time today. So I'm in a mix-off situation. Yes, the bales are going to be dry enough to keep. I do have some pockets like at 21 to 22 pockets, wet pockets in the bales, mixed with really dry stuff, 14 and a half, which is dry as it reads, 15, 16, 17, on up to 20 to 21. More pockets of dry than wet. So we're just going to keep rolling. Let's do it. Gotta get that right side. Gonna grab another gear. Okay, right side of the baler is starving. See them belts? There we are. Crowding that right side. We're gonna keep rolling nice and easy here so we don't shatter our dry leaves out of there. Round and round. You think I picked that song by accident? I always wanted to do a baling video to this song. I hope this works. Right side of the baler wants to be fed, so I'm going to weave over to that right side. Just like that. And then back to the left. Left to right, left to right. Coming up on the tide cycle. And I have to do that manually, so I hit my manual tie. Here, grab some RPM. Oh, I hope that works. I accidentally flipped the camera. Okay, I'm gonna bring my tie arms out to the edge right away because I'm so dry. I don't want my bale, I don't want that loose hay flopping around in there and getting worn out because it's so dry. Bring my tie arms all the way back and slowly bring them back home. That's that red lever that you can just barely see. As we go round and round and tie this off. We'll throttle back a little bit. Cut the arms. If I wasn't running a camera, all this would happen at the same time. Then we're ready. Really got to weave this hard to the right. And we got it. Hard to the left. And I'm started.
Roses is the candiest holiday of the summer. Getting away! Benedict Cumberbatch.
Okay, I hope that worked out. I'll have to watch the video and see. It's like I could almost wait for this hay to get a little bit drier, but it won't get too much drier. So I'm just going to keep rolling slow. Literally right down to my last probably 4 bales. So this is going to go good. We'll just take it easy. Really proud of the way these bales are turning out. I'm tying them off really nice. And nice and square. Lots of twine on them because these are good bales to sell. So everybody wants bales that are tied up nice and tight and don't fall apart. They also shed the water so much better. They keep better, all that good stuff. Okay, I'm Dead Wolf. I'm out. I'm going to finish this off. See you soon on the next one. We'll definitely have this kind of fun. Till then, take care, everyone. Hell yeah.